Welcome back to another episode of your review channel, and yes, another episode of your Costco today. So I was walking around Costco today and I saw this really cool light, and this is really kind of cool. Check this out for your garage or a special in the basement or something. This is a 3-panel LED. They call it a garage light, but you can use this pretty much anywhere. It plugs into any standard outlet, and you can use it in any workspace, any home gym, in the garage. This is a 2-pack. So again, super bright LED, and those light panels are flexible, so they move around. So check this out. This moves around. Had to tighten it. Was kind of loose. I wanted to tighten it up for them. It was a display item I saw in Costco today. Somebody tighten that up. And you can see these panels, right? They're like little solar panels, but they're like light panels, LED light panels, and they move back and forth, as you can see here. So you can adjust them to any location that you want. Super bright, by the way. So just really careful. This thing is really bright. Looks cool, right? You can adjust them, so you have different locations. You want to light up a garage or a certain section. So it's in a little demo section here, and you really have to press the button to turn it on, and bam, there it goes. That is awesome, and it works really well. Look at that, how bright that. Look at the difference that is, right? That's really. And I'm walking by this display, and I'm saying, how come it's not lit? I didn't realize the button was right there, and most people walk by this display and don't press the button because they don't know there's a button there. So there's a button there to turn it on and off. That's how the display works, and you can adjust these little panels. As you can see here, it's high quality impact plastic. You got to set it too, don't forget. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying my videos. Hit that like button down below. Also hit that subscribe button. It does help me out quite a bit. And check out all my Costco reviews online. It does also have an on and off switch. So you can see right there, so you can turn it on and off if you don't have a switched outlet. So you can turn that on and off right there. And you can see it really lights up everything really nice and bright and even lighting. So I really like this item. So check out your local Costco. I believe it's $39.99 for the 2-pack. That's great, $20 a piece. They'll last probably forever. And you can always return at Costco, as you know, anytime, no problem whatsoever, with the box, without a box. Endless return policy with Costco. They're the best. So this is why we shop Costco. Again, try me. Boom, there it goes. And everybody walked by this display and no one's pressing the button. I said, there's got to be something wrong here. And I found the button. So there you go. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate it. And I'll see you at the next review.